Hi everyone, I have come up with glazed bronze coppery eye look for today, and we are going to be doing it in just 5 minutes. It will be very simple, it will be very effortless to do it, but it will look absolutely stunning on your eyes. Okay, especially is for all the duskier beauties out there, because the tones like bronze, copper, they shine on them more because of their skin tones. So that is more specifically for them, but fair skin tones can also rock it. So thank you for tuning in, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom you in. We are going to use lipsticks today for creating the eyeshadow look. So the first lipstick I'm going to be using is Maybelline Nude Nuance. You can see. What you have to do is take the lipstick. You have to do a swatch kind of thing on your hand. Okay. Then with your finger you have to pick the product and close your eyes. With the help of a dabbing motion you have to blend the lipstick or the fake eyeshadow we are creating. Okay. Repeat it on second eye as well. It gives instant boost of color to your eyes. I'm gonna repeat it another time because I'm not happy with the color payoff. Repeating the same step. Drop the lipstick. Blend it outwards. Okay. Okay. Now you have to take a darker color, darker brown color. You can take any darker brown color in your collection. I am taking Divine Wine from Maybelline Creamy Matte. I'm a great fan of this range. Swatching it besides the nude nuance and build it on the outer edge. You have to remember. It's very simple, but it'll look amazing. Trust me. Okay. Okay. Now, with the help of another finger, you can blend it. To create the transition effect, you can just blend it really well. Okay, what you have to do is you have to blend it inwards. Take the pigment inwards. Okay, now I'm taking a brown eyeshadow from my favorite palette, which is completely broken, Swiss Beauty. Okay, I'm going to be taking this brown shadow here on my fluffy brush. Blend it towards in the inner lid, okay, towards the outer corner. That's our okay. Can blend it like this. For duskier skin tone, you have to take the deeper brown lip shade to a greater extent, because then it will show up on your skin more. Okay, we are done. Now what you have to do, what I like to do always, is to take a fluffy brush and run it on your eyelids. It mixes everything beautifully. Okay, now I'm taking the star of the show, this copper color, on my finger again, dab on the eyelid. Okay, it looks so pretty. Okay, now for me, for all those highlighter lovers like me, I'm taking Faces Canada face palette. I'm taking the highlighter and just popping it on the lid for some extra bling. Okay, now for all, because this video is specifically for duskier skin tone girls, I am taking the bolder brown color, applying it on my outer corner. Sorry. It will deepen your eyeshadow, make it pop. Okay, take your brush. If you feel you have gone too extra, you can take any powder, apply it on the areas where you have gone extra, and it will be just fixed. Taking the beautiful gold, building it on the outer edge. Okay, so this is the final look. It was under 5 minutes. I have done in the tutorial, that is why it has become slightly longer, but whenever you will be doing it yourself, it will be just under 5 minutes and it will be beautiful, trust me. Stay tuned for all makeup lovers. Stay tuned and bye. Enjoy your festive season, okay?